In just one night, there were nearly 300 attack drones, 19 ballistic missiles, as well as cruise missiles. Air raid sirens sounded across many of our cities. Dozens of people have been injured, and sadly, so sadly, there are also lives lost in Odessa, Kiev, in Dnipro. Just ordinary people, children, civilians killed by Russian madness. Critically important that you and our other partners continue to support us with weapons, especially air defense is crucial. It's important that together we can stop this war and that diplomacy can work. It's important that pressure on Russia continues, sanctions and all other restrictions. But it's just as important that Russia is held accountable for this aggression, legally and practice. And that Russian war criminals do not enjoy normal life.